Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to be guiding you how to fix TradingView chart not loading. So we can get this issue due to many different reasons, so make sure that you have a perfect internet connection. Once you have that ready, onto your chart, make sure that you select this option of reset chart view. Once you do, you can see it is now reset. You can zoom in a bit and you can see, let's just say it is not loading perfectly. Then you might have different issues with your time intervals. You can simply select it to the best one that is needed. Let's just say 1 day, and you will have your chart according to that. If it looks abnormal, then you can also try refreshing and clearing your browsers cache and everything. So make sure you head over to your history page and clear up everything here and simply reset your cache and that. So you can also get $15 onto your TradingView once you sign up using the link in the description below. So make sure to give a try to that. So I hope this helps and it will fix TradingView chart not loading, and see you guys in the next video.